Ever wondered why some AI responses are razor-sharp and others meander? The answer lies in a fundamental constraint. Traditional models force answers into rigid length limits, like trying to fit a complex recipe into 3 sentences. Today, we're exploring DAEDAL, a breakthrough technique that gives AI the power to write exactly the length needed, no more, no less. Let's dissect the problem. Conventional language models, from chatbots to code generators, operate with predefined response lengths. Imagine writing a letter with a fixed number of pages. For simple queries, this creates unnecessary filler. For complex tasks, it risks truncating critical details, like summarizing quantum mechanics in a tweet. This one-size-fits-all approach hinders performance on tasks requiring nuanced depth. But researchers have cracked this code with DAEDAL, Dynamic Adaptive Length Expansion for Diffusion LLMs. This system lets models dynamically determine their own length, much like a writer who drafts an outline, then expands sections as needed. No more arbitrary word limits. How does DAEDAL achieve this? It employs 2 core innovations. First, it begins with a minimal initial length. Think of it as a rough outline. The model then evaluates its confidence in completing the task. If uncertainty arises, it dynamically extends the output, akin to adding blank pages when realizing more space is needed for a detailed explanation. The second breakthrough is iterative mask insertion. Here's where it gets technical. When the model predicts a token with low confidence, it doesn't just guess. Instead, it inserts a block of masked tokens around the uncertain region, creating thinking space. This isn't a single placeholder. It's a buffer zone where the model can iteratively refine its output. It's like giving the AI a temporary workspace to unpack complex ideas without rushing. The results: DAEDAL outperforms fixed-length models on challenging benchmarks. On math problem-solving tasks, it achieves higher accuracy than state-of-the-art rigid models. For coding challenges, it produces more correct and efficient code. And it does this while using fewer tokens, meaning faster processing and lower computational costs. It's the AI equivalent of a chef, using only the exact ingredients needed for a recipe. Why does this matter? Fixed-length models are like old typewriters, limited by their design. DAEDAL is the modern smart typewriter that adapts to your needs. Whether you're debugging code, explaining a theorem, or crafting a story, the length matches the complexity. Next time you see an AI deliver a precise, insightful response, consider this. It might not just be intelligent. It could be adaptive. And that's the future of AI.